The winter months can become very challenging, bringing along with it cold and chaos. It marks the height of cold and flu season with some pretty heavy symptoms that can stop you right in your tracks. Wouldn't you rather enjoy the adventures of winter without the woes of cold and flu symptoms? There are some natural, highly effective remedies for relieving and preventing symptoms associated with viral and bacterial infections. Sip on this during cold, cough and flu season. Loose leaf tea. There are powerful antioxidants and polyphenols in natural tea leaves, making tea a great source for cold and flu prevention and relief. It is abundant with anti-inflammatory properties, and it eliminates harmful free radicals and bacteria while soothing the throat and chest. The least processed, most delicate with the highest levels of antioxidants, catechins and amino acids is white tea, giving it a light, mild flavor. Its potency is known to fight and prevent cancerous cells, viral infections, including HIV, and harmful pathogens from forming or dwelling in the body. Simply place 3 to 5 grams of white tea leaves into a teapot or teacup. Pour 7 ounces of boiled water into the drinking vessel. About 30 seconds later, separate the tea leaves from water at the first round brewing and 15 to 45 seconds for subsequent brews until tea gets weak. White tea leaves are best steeped at 185 degrees Fahrenheit. When using tea bags, bring water to a rolling boil, allow to sit for 1 minute, then steep tea for about 2 minutes. The Flu Balm for flu-like symptoms. This amazing remedy is excellent for fast relief of flu-like symptoms and discomforts. Although a little unique in taste and requires a little effort to prepare, it provides nearly miraculous results when the flu hits the hardest. This super drink clears mucus and congestion from the nose and chest, is a natural source of vitamin C for energy and enhanced immune function with great anti-inflammatory properties. It is quite powerful and potent with ingredients that blasts right through the flu. It has been known to be highly effective in as little as 24 hours. Place 1 clove of minced or crushed garlic into a heat-safe jar or teacup. Add 1/4 teaspoon of crushed or grated ginger. Then add freshly squeezed juice from 1 whole lemon. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Pour ½ cup of hot water into the drinking vessel with all other ingredients. Stir ingredients vigorously and well. After the hot liquid has cooled a bit, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey and stir. It's recommended to have a side glass of water if the ingredients are strong to the taste. Turmeric, golden latte. Turmeric powder is used for many different reasons to contribute to health and well-being. In this case, it is a super drink that relieves cough and cold with its anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antibacterial properties, naturally, powerfully fighting and preventing viral and bacterial infections. It's an excellent detox drink before bed and is filled with antioxidants. To begin enjoying the benefits of turmeric latte, pour 2 cups of almond milk, or any milk of your preference, into a boiling pot and bring to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger and place 1 teaspoon of ground or fresh turmeric into the pot. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the pot. Whisk the liquid for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. After the liquid has cooled a bit, add 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Adding honey and cinnamon boosts the properties of the drink, enhancing the immune system and reducing inflammation while bringing a nice flavor to the hot drink. Pepper and coconut oil allow proper activation and absorption of the turmeric. For tea, simply replace milk with water and take away the vanilla extract. Drinking this super drink daily can prevent the onset of the common cold and flu.